All right, welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys some light rays and halation effects. I believe light rays is in the free version. I'm not sure about the halation. This cloud shot actually doesn't have any light rays coming through. So let's check it out. So on this node, I went into my open effects and searched up light rays, which is under your resolve effects light, and dropped a node down into the pipeline. And then if we click in, I had to automate the direction of the light rays. So let's go back to the start of the shot here. So here's what it looks like before, and I'll give you a full screen. So no light rays, and then we have it moving over the time of the shot here. So you just bring it on, and then you can adjust your threshold here and your angle. And then I have some keyframes at the start of the shot here. So you can see a keyframe when I first start, and then the X position just moves. I just went to the end of the shot here and moved it. That's the fastest way to keyframe everything. So I'll go ahead and reset that just to show you how to do it. So if we start here, turn the rays on, there's a keyframe there already. I'll reset them. So let's angle it, say, to here. It already has a keyframe added now that I adjusted the parameter, and we go to the end of the shot. There's the next keyframe. So you just need to make one adjustment at the head and one at the tail. And then as you can see, it sweeps from left to right. So you can change your source threshold. You can change the length. So you might be able to use this effect for quite a few things. And you can soften the rays and adjust the brightness. I've seen some cool effects behind trees and even underneath text. So that's my first example. Second clip here, we have some motorcycles. You've seen this shot on a prior video. And I just added some halation here. So here it is without halation. And here it is with halation, just kind of brightens up the beam there. And I went ahead and went to RE Gamut 3 just because it gives a little bit more range to work with. And so you have threshold you can work with, normalization. I thought this looked pretty cool if you just go under view glow alone. Kind of gives a neat like negative style effect. Could be cool for thumbnails or even an edit if you were to just toggle this on and off with the global blend where you'd ramp in and out of this look. So you can control everything, but it's essentially just your highlight light and really adds that blooming effect over the lights. So as you can see, it's getting too strong there, and you can bring it down if you had this as a separate halation node. You could color it after the fact too, or just split the difference. I was seeing some stuff going on in this gradation in the sky. You could see a little rainbow right here. That might be because this is a 8-bit footage, so it's not going to render it properly. If you guys grab some 422 or even 444 quality stuff with 10 or 12-bit, these effects all perform at a higher level when you got that much data range to work with versus a lot of these 8-bit files that are available. Also, a pretty cool effect here. I believe this comes in the film look creator as well. We take a look at that. It's one of those bundled tools, so I'll drop that on just to ensure that that's where that is. Yeah, we have halation in there. And that kind of adds quite a bit of a look too. Not quite sure. Let's turn that on and off. This one's a little more subtle for the film look creator, but so that's part of that bundle. So there's a couple cool effects that are inside the Resolve Effects bundle. You can use these on the edit page as well. But as per usual, I find them to be a little more flexible, especially if you were to go in and out of these nodes separately. If you needed to do a base grade or you wanted a little more flexibility than you get on the edit page. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video.